Hi, I'm Alan, Corporate Development Chef for FEM. Today we're looking at the Hamilton Beach commercial drinks blenders, the Quantum 950. Okay, let's have a look at some of the features and benefits on the Hamilton Beach commercial Quantum 950 drinks blender. First of all, we've got a 7-year warranty, and that's some serious blending. Also, it carries a 3 years parts and labour warranty. I mean, that's trouble-free blending for 3 years. Also on the Quantum 950, we've got the Quiet Shield, which obviously offers great noise reduction and also a benefit of cutting the motor off when you open it. Also on the Quantum 950, we've got the break-resistant polycarbonate jar. Obviously, if the guys drop it, it's not going to shatter. We're also looking at the paint tint on the Wave technology, which means that when it's blending, everything is brought into the middle and not going around on the outsides like normal blenders. The reason we offer a 7-year warranty on the motor with confidence is because we have a brushless motor, which means that the motor is 50% more efficient than other high performance blenders that are out there in the marketplace at the moment. The touchpad, very easy to use, touch sensitive, just press and then stop. We've also got a pulse button that you can actually alter on the menu. It has got its own little menus and you can scroll through the menus, find things that you want to change, disable, etc. or return to screen. Very intuitive and very user friendly. And also we've got 5 preset programs. Each one is individually set for a particular drink's profile. Let's make a drink. We're going to make a mango, orange and peach frappe. Nice. Apple juice. We've got some lime juice. We've got some lime peel and we've got ginger, ice and the fruit. And we load. In goes the juice. In goes the fruit. Some seasonings. Lime juice of course. A little bit of ice. Lid on. Onto the Quantum 950. So we're choosing program number 1. Away we go. Okay, and it's finished. Let's take off the Quiet Shield, remove the lid and pour this beautiful orange, mango and peach frappe into our glass. Perfectly smooth. You can see no lumps of ice, everything completely blended. So in terms of food hygiene, which is very important, it's also very easy to clean. If we take a look, we take all the jugs out, we can unclip the motor, we can take off the Quiet Shield, we can take out the mats, clean it with hot soapy water and put it back together again. Other smart features on the Hamilton Beach commercial blender, the Quantum 950. Say you've been blending a long time and it starts getting hot, then it'll give us an audible signal and it'll tell you that it's overheating and it'll start a cool down. So overall, in the high performance blender market, the Hamilton Beach commercial Quantum 950 drinks blender perfectly fits the needs of any high volume operator.